All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on this Kastar batteries and chargers. I did order these to come in. As you guys know, if you saw my other video, I did purchase a whole lot of cameras, but they weren't tested or anything. So we already flipped some on eBay, as you can see, but here's some of the ones that are still yet to be sold. But I did want to have batteries and chargers for some of them, just to see if they fully function versus just selling them for parts. But as you can see, I got the charger and battery for one, so let's go and actually check them out. Okay. Perfect. So this is what the charger looks like. All right. And then this is the battery that goes with it. I want to say this was for one of these is for a Fujifilm that I got. I'll show you here in a second. We'll try them out. And I think the other one was a Casio, but let's see. And this is what the battery looks like. And then to charge it, very simple, just goes in like that, stays in place. Super simple. And let's go now open this one. So there we go. Same thing, but this one's for a different model, different brand altogether. If you don't know, these digital cameras are coming back in style, so people are still buying them. I was able to get each one for $5. Again, untested. They were just kind of in a bin at a local flea market. It's kind of my side hustle, just kind of flipping things. This one just happened to stand out for us. And then here's the other battery, and it should just work the same. Boom. All right, so let's go ahead and actually charge them up, put them in the camera, and test them out. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in real quick just so you can see what it looks like when they're charging. So there's that one, as you can see, that turns on red. And same thing here. So we're gonna let them charge for a little bit, put them in the cameras, and actually test it out. All right, so like I said, this one is for this Fujifilm one that I wanted to test out. So we'll just go ahead and insert it real quick, test it out. Hoping it works. It's obviously worth a lot more if it works. Uh-oh. Try to put that right. All right, so let's test it out. Oh, there we go. Let's go through those prompts. Just gonna go through it real quick. Power save. Whoa. Working condition. So I didn't mind spending the money on getting the chargers because now this one alone, once it sells, will be worth the entire thing. I already made my money back on all the cameras we bought, but I wanted to make sure I got the chargers for these, specifically this one. But let's go and actually try out the other one as well. Hopefully we have just as good luck on that one. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and test out this one. This one is for this Casio right here. Let's go ahead and pop it in. Perfect, seal it up. Let's try to turn it on. There it is. Sweet, let's go through the prompts. Oh, so it works. Might need to do a little bit with the lens there. Just as you can see, the batteries work great. Now it gives me a chance to actually test the cameras, make sure all the functions work. I can maybe clean this up a bit. All right, guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for some replacement batteries and chargers for your digital cameras, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I get yours. Highly recommend.